Hi, this is Mike of Dog Trainer Cebu. So today I'm with Danny, and we're gonna do a short obedience session with Danny. This is my dog Danny. She's been training for 10 months. Tama ba? Yeah, 10 months now. Since she was 3 months old. So now she is 1 year and 1 month old. Tama ba yung math ko? Okay, anyway. So Danny is there kasi I gave her a command, which is the place command. So I keep saying this. So again, the place command is really good for keeping your dog in just one place while you're doing something. And she won't be, bothering you. And also, it's nice. Like, if your dog is super, masyadong excited to do stuff, or if you have a visitor, what you can do is just tell the dog to go to the place, and the dog cannot bother your visitors. Or if there's whatever, ang mga tao na magagawa sa house nyo, nagde-deliver, ganyan. So if the dog is like this, calm, it's really good to have a calm dog. Especially to those people na talagang yung aso nila is ang hirap kontrolin. Starting from paglabas ng cage, hindi na nila ma-handle. So, yan. Alright, so this is a perfect exercise for Danny to control herself and yung excitement niya. Even though this is a Belgian Malinois, which is a very, very, very energetic na breed. It's not good to have this as your first dog. I don't recommend anyone having a dog like this unless you have experience na caring for dogs. Now some of you might say, I bought a Malinois as my first dog. I don't have any problems. Good for you. Maybe you got a very calm dog, but generally speaking, Malinois, they're really not for first time dog owners. So we're gonna start the session now. Maybe I'll do just 5 minutes. Danny? Foot. Face. Down. Teddy, no. So that's my other dog, yung Yorkie, nagbabark. Hello. Face. Down. So what you can do with the place command, if you are one of my clients na umuwi na yung dog nyo and marunong na sila mag-place command, so ang tinuturo ko sa basic is yung place command medyo malapit lang. So it's not from too far like what I'm doing with my dog, but you can also do this by adding distance, slowly adding distance. So I'll show you how I do that. So I'll start muna na malapit ako sa place, bed, whatever platform you're using. So gagawin ko ganito. Front. Good. Wait. Front. Good. Down. Gagawin ko from here, ipapa-place ko yung aso. Malapit lang. I'll reward the dog. Yes. Good. Out. Okay. So yun na yung reward ng aso ko. Mabilis lang, nakagat niya to, masaya na siya. So next, gagawin ko naman mga 3 meters away. Okay? 3 meters away. Push. Place. Down. Yes. Okay. So 3 meters away naman. So ngayon, what if yung aso nyo hindi sumunod sa place command? Sinabi mo place, and then nandito siya, hindi siya sumunod sa'yo. Ang gagawin mo, you're gonna use the leash and lead the dog to the place. Sabi mo place, and then as soon as the dog starts walking, let go of the leash and then just let her do it or let him do it. Okay? And then dahil hindi sumunod yung dog mo sa 3 meters away, you're gonna go back to 1 meter, 2 meters away. So I'll do it again. Nanny, front. Hey. Out. House. Okay, so gagawin ko, halimbawa mas malayo na, mga 5 meters away. Danny, push. Place. Yan. So, pwede mong gawin, lead the dog by walking and then showing the way. Directional yung gaganyan ako, alam ng dog ko doon papunta, yung gusto ko siyang puntahan niya. Kasi, yung place command, hindi lang dito sa bed na to siya nagagamit. I can also make the dog go up a bench, on top of the cage, yung sa payag, yung upuan, a dining table, or whatever. The dog can do that, okay? Middle. Place. Down. So kaya ko lang to na-include sa video ko ngayon kasi may nag-message sa akin na client ko, sabi niya, the dog naman understands the place command, sabi, pero how can you do that na yung dog mo malayo, nagagawa niya yung place command? So ganun lang, add distance lang, slowly. Same thing, if you want to make the dog follow a command, kasi sa basic obedience, I teach the dog to follow what I'm saying while he's in front of me. Kapag lumayo ako, sabihin ko sa dog, sit. Minsan magagawa yan ng dog. Pero sa basic obedience, usually ginagawa ko lang, nandun ako sa harap ng dog. I have to be in front of the dog. Kasi mga beginner pa sila, 4 weeks lang yung training na yan. So, gagawin nyo ganito. Sit. Good. Down. Down. Sit. Down. Down. Sit. So, it's the same concept with the place command. You are adding distance. So, you're just slowly moving away. Hand signal, sit or sit. Iba-iba kasi yung dogs dito eh. Kung ano yung natutunan nila. Sometimes ganito, sometimes ganyan. So, si Danny, nakakasunod siya kahit word lang. Couché, yun, couché means down. Assis, it means sit. Sabi, pag sinabi ko heel, ibig sabihin nung actually hindi niya alam yung heel. Pag sinabi ko OPA, pumunta siya sa side ko. So ngayon, we will start our session na. So you'll see that I'll focus more on engagement. So it means that I'm doing a lot more reward than usual. A lot more rewarding. To get my dog to be excited with doing obedience kasi ang dami kong tinatrain na aso dito. I haven't been training my dog. So medyo she's getting sloppy, alright? So I'll do a lot of impulse control, meaning pag gigil na siya, nakikita ko na sa mukha niya na parang excited siya masyado, bigla ko siya bibigyan ng command. And then the dog will bite this, and then all of a sudden I'll tell her to let go of this. And then for letting go of this, I'm also gonna reward her with this. Okay? Pushing. Yes. Good. Okay. Yes. Good girl. Come. Daddy, come. Come. Good. Alright. So it's important na, Daddy, no. It's important na when you're playing with your dog, make sure that you are included sa laro. Out. House. Teddy, no. Kasi yung engagement work, you are rewarding the dog na by playing with the dog. So the dog cannot play by himself or by herself. Kasi kapag ka mag-isa lang siya nag-enjoy with this, he doesn't need you. Why would he follow you? So si Danny, natuto siya na every time we play with the tug, ang na-experience niya lagi is nananalo siya. Danny. So, gagawin ko, magtatag kami, and then I'm going to maybe parang make it seem like steady. No, ang kulit ng aso ko. I'm gonna make it seem like nahihirapan ako. So para ma-boost yung confidence niya, mag-enjoy siya na parang, natatalo ko siya. Tapos mamaya, I'll let go of the tug to make it seem like nanalo siya talaga. Yes! Good. Pag ganito. Ah, 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 ah. Good girl. So yan, nanalo na siya once, and then syempre gusto niya yan. Feeling niya, ito kasi yung only time na nanalo siya sa akin. Laging ako lagi yung panalo. So, Dani, come. Yeah. Good girl. Out. Out. Down. Down. So kasi kapag ginawa mo, laging pag let go ng dog, tatago mo na, hindi siya nananalo, mas lalo niyang hindi bibigay sa'yo to. So paano pag nagpapa-fetch ka? Nagpapa-fetch ka, ayaw ibalik sa'yo ng aso mo. Kasi laging pagbalik sa'yo ng aso, kinukuha mo na. Pero di mo naman kunin, pero palitan mo ng iba. Halimbawa, ganito. Isa pa, na toy. Merong reward na ganito. So gagawin ko, front. Yes. Out. Yes. So, Dani let go of this, and for doing that, I can either reward her with the same toy or with another one of a higher value. Kasi I know, kasi this is my dog, she loves this more, yung ball na yan, than this. Okay? The only reason why I prefer this is she can enjoy playing with me using the tug. As you can see with the ball, she's playing alone, di ba? Although yung ball na yan, meron namang tali, I can also do the same thing. Mas masarap kasi kagatin to than that. So, I'm wearing this vest kasi napakadaming pocket nito. Ang lalaki ng pocket. See, nagkasya yung tag, pati sa likod. Meron. So, yan. I even have a frisbee here na ang laki. So nagkasya sa vest ko, imagine that. Dani, OBA, OBA. Wait. So ngayon, ito kasi yan eh. Ito yung gusto niya. Next, yung ball na yon, and then ito ang pinaka gusto niya. So meron siyang mga levels ng ng importance. Ano ba pinaka-important sa akin? Ito pinaka gusto ni Dani. Pero I rarely use this kasi ang laki-laki. So ngayon I got her to let go of that ball because of this. Yes. Dani, come. Dani, come. Good. Good girl. Yan. So, acting tayo. Kunyari, ang lakas niya. Natalo niya tayo. Nakuha na naman niya yung toy. So, pag tinawag ko siya, lalapit siya sa akin ulit kasi masaya siya, nananalo siya lagi eh. Dani, come. Come here. Good girl. House. Down. So, how do you pick up a toy? If you are playing with your dog, how do I pick it up? So, I pick it up in a way na matitrigger yung play drive niya para mas lalo siyang manggigil dun sa toy. Kasi it's important na yung dog nyo is talagang gigil siya sa toy. So, ganito. Wait. So, what I'm doing is, I'm acting like I'm going to steal the toy from her. Para mas lalo niyang magustuhan yung toy. The more na gusto ng dog yung reward mo, the more na gusto niyang sumunod sa mga commands mo. Kasi she knows in the end of it, or somewhere within the obedience session, ma-reward siya ng yan. Yes! Okay. So, yan yung reward niya. Out! 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 Up. So, hindi niya makuha sa head kasi flat. House, Dan. Aus! Out! Wait! No, aus! Okay. Halimbawa yan dyan, wait. Ganito pagkuha ko ah. Wait. Yan. Nakita nyo nag-vocalize na siya kasi effective yung ginagawa ko na parang I'm trying to steal this away from her. Okay? Down. Sit. Yes. Good girl. Yes. So yun totoong nanalo siya dun. I'm not acting. Ang hirap kasi hawakan ng frisbee. Yeah, good girl. So ganyan lang. So maybe I'll do more commands na. Puro lagi na lang si Danny yung nananalo eh. Out. House. No, house. OBA. OBA. Sit. Place. Front. OPA. Middle. Down. Place. Yes. Good girl. Ayan. Ayan lang guys. So I hope na meron kayong nakuha na mga technique sa pag-train ng dogs. And ma-apply nyo sana sa dogs nyo. If you have any questions, comment nyo lang or message nyo ako. Or mas maganda kung i-comment nyo na lang. Kasi nalilito ako minsan may mga nag-message. Hindi ko alam kung inquiry eh. Kasi yun pala nagtatanong. So pag nagtanong kayo, mas maganda sa comment para pag sinagot ko, maraming makakabasa and they will learn from it. Or maybe I can make a video out of your question. And sometimes hindi ko na maisip ano kayang gagawin ko na video. I can't think of other stuff kasi parang lahat yata nagawan ko na ng video simula nung dati. Natatabunan lang kasi I always upload mga updates for the clients. Minsan magla-live ako sobrang daming beses kasi ang daming aso dito. And everyone wants to have updates. And I don't wanna keep sending it sa Hindi kasi makasend ng video na malaking file using the business manager. Yung mga video para 45 seconds lang kapag kayo nang gagamitin ko. So I upload it. And I don't wanna save it sa phone ko. So I just use the live Facebook live. Danny, come. Come. OPA. 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 So, meron ako ituturo sa inyo. Pwede nyo itong gawin sa dog nyo. Kung marunong na yung dog nyo mag-sit, and then maybe you want to teach this, OPA. So, gagawin ko, ready, no. Maglalakad kami ni Danny. Then, habang naglalakad kami, bigla akong sasabihin sa kanya, sit, tas hindi na siya susunod sa akin kasi nakasit na siya. Ito. OPA. Sit. Yan. Wait. So, paano yun pwedeng ituro? Ganito. Nag-start ako, ganito ginawa ko. Danny. Okay. Come. House. House. No, out. So nakalimutan ko nung nire-release ko siya, meron palang toy doon. So iniwan niya ako bigla. So ganito gagawin ko. Danny, come. Mag-march-march lang ako. Ganyan. Sasabihin ko, sit. Kasi sanay naman yung aso ko mag-sit di ba? Or yung dogs nyo siguro marunong mag-sit. So gagawin niya lang ganito. Okay. Danny, come. Sit. Yan. So, bakit ako nagmamarch? Gusto ko masanay yung aso na it doesn't mean just because I'm moving, hindi siya pwedeng sumunod. I can give the dog a command, whatever yung position ko, nasa harap ako, sa likod, sa side, or gumagalaw yung pa ako, gumagalaw yung kamay ko. Okay? Down. Asi. Turn. Push. Alert. Alert. Middle. Yan. Ganun, okay. Down. So pag sinabi kong down, I don't need to say wait or stay. It means down ka lang. Push. Down. Push. Sit. Yan. It looks stupid, di ba? Pero that's how I teach a dog to follow commands even while we are walking. So, sit means sit. It doesn't mean sinabi kong sit, tapos gumalaw ako. It means, ano ka na? You're off the command na. It means you're gonna stay there lang. So, I'll try it again. OPA. Push. Down. Sit. No. Sit. Ang layo mo. Push. Stand. Ay. Down. Place. OPA. Place. Push. Place. Down. Stand. Sit. Sit. Alert. 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 Push. Sit. Place. Ayan, okay. So, I hope meron kayong natutunan kung paano turuan yung dog na sumunod kahit na naglalakad kayo or in motion. So, nung puppy siya, hindi lang siya basta ganyan tinuturo. Ginawa ko dyan, nung puppy siya, ginagawa ko ganito. Nilulure ko, I have food here. Walk, walk, walk. Biglang. Sit. Ganon. Pag down, I have food here, sinusunod niya. Down. Ganon. So, hindi siya parang static lang ako. Tapos, down. Sit. Down. Stand. So, ginagawa ko. Sit. Down. Ganon. So, you practice every scenario in obedience para yung dog nyo ay versatile. Hindi yung parang alam niya lang gawin ang command from a standing position. Alam niya lang mag-down from a sit. Alam lang niya mag-sit from a stand. So, yan. Ano yung reward? Ito. 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 Pwede mo ito bilhin sa My Pet Station. Sabihin nyo lang, meron kayong tag. Isang handle lang. Personally, pwede naman dalawang handle, ganyan. Ako kasi gusto ko ganito para ayoko na, halimbawa, kinagato ni Danny, tumakbo-takbo siya, mas malaki yung chance na ma-shoot yung paa niya dito tapos boom, tumba siya or mapilayan siya. It's a negative experience din. So baka hindi na niya ma-enjoy to. Kung pwede nga na walang handle yun yung bibilin ko. Kung meron, walang ganon So lahat may handle. So I bought this, isa lang yung handle niya. So merong mga maliliit na ganito. Halimbawa baby pa yung dog nyo or baby, puppy. Buy the smaller one. So ito, nabili ko sa mga taga Cebu. I bought this sa Gaisano sa Talisay. Yung meron din parang hardware store or parang home yung may mga construction meron dun pet section. Ito nabili ko I think 300 plus. And then this one, I think this is 2,000 plus. It comes with a magnet so I can put it here. Yung magnet, dalawang piraso siya. I'm going to put the other side sa labas and then the other side sa inside, and then I'll put it here so that when the dog grabs this, makukuha niya. Tapos pwede kong iganon ulit, babalik. It will just stick. Okay. Yes! Good girl. Yan. So I'm gonna let my dog enjoy the reward. And then I'll give the dog a lot of toys. Yes! Ito pa. Oh. Para masaya ka talaga. Huwag mo lang itapon dun sa sa baba doon. Kasi hindi ko yan makukuha. Yes! Oh, di ba? Magsawa ka diyan, hindi na niya alam alin kukunin niya. So, kapag gusto malaman alin ang favorite ng dog mo na toy, bigay mo sa kanya lahat. Pero siya parang lipat-lipat So parang same ng value yata Pero ang alam ko yung frisbee yung favorite niya. Ito yung nag-iingay kanina. Nag-iingay ka na naman. Si Teddy talaga Si Teddy, aso ko yun. Pero hindi ko pa siya natitrain kasi may skin allergy siya. So naka-isolate lang siya lagi sa loob ng bahay. So meron yung kapatid nito, si Carrie, I think kung nagpa-follow kayo sa page ko, meron na siya mga video na nagtitraining. Niregalo ko siya sa girlfriend ko, yung isa yung kapatid nito. So nandun siya sa Mabolo. Ang nagtitrain sa kanya yung girlfriend ko, marunong na din, magaling na siya. Out. Hoy. Bango ni Dan. Out. So, huwag niyong iwanan yung mga toys na parang na-access lang ng dog kasi mawawala ng value. Imaginein mo ganito. Diba parang ako favorite ko kumain sa buffet na yung Korean na ano ba tawag doon? Yung may lutuan sa gitna. Basta yun. Unlimited, diba? Ang sarap. So favorite ko yun. Pero kapag papakainin mo ako niyan everyday, Teddy, no. Kapag papakainin mo ako niyan everyday, magsasawa ako, parang ayoko na niya. Same thing sa sa toys. You want this to be given lang sa obedience training. Don't leave it sa loob ng cage or sa loob ng bahay while the dog is not doing anything. So this is just a reward for obeying. Yes. So si Danny pala, nagkwento ko lang na yung mata niya ngayon medyo malabo. Binabalik niya sa akin binibigay niya, gusto niya makipaglaro. So ang tawag dito, Teddy, no. Ang tawag dito engagement. Yes. Kasi ito yung ginagawa namin Hindi niya to pwedeng ma-enjoy ng mag-isa lang siya to the maximum level. Parang okay, she can bite this, chew on it, pero hindi niya to ma-experience kapag wala ako. Yes. Yeah, so kailangan ako ng dog ko na to. Out. Yes. Good. So pag ginawa niyo to sa bahay, be careful kasi baka makagat yung kamay niyo. Kapag di kayo sanay, makakagat ka talaga. Out. Middle. Middle. Yes. Out. Out. Place. Yes. Out. Sit. Down. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Out. Place. Yes. Okay. I'll end the session na. Naistorbo ko na kayo eh.